Okay, I'm here doing a PVC repair for my friend, and he asked me why it failed. So, I thought I'd just do this video explaining it to everybody. So, first, let me tell you, I used to do swimming pool repairs, and many times I had to jackhammer through a pool deck to repair a fitting that somebody didn't do properly the first time. So I learned the correct way to do PVC or CPVC, and I hope you can learn something from this. We're about to show you. So you got this sheen on here, right? And the idea of this cleaner right here is to get that sheen, that shiny part off. So when you're cleaning this, you don't want to just rub around in there one time and set it to dry and think that's it. You actually want to break that sheen off of there real good. And now let me show you with the pipe what that will really do. So if you see all that lettering on there, see all that stuff? You see how it comes off of there? Well, that's how you know. I know, boo. My kitty cat wants to help. She always wants to help. So you really want to rub that around there a few times. Not too many. You don't want to get it so small that your pipes aren't tight anymore. So if you can see there, I've broken that sheen off of there now. So now that part's probably good and dry already. And if you can see how dull that is now compared to the rest of that pipe, that's what you need. Now we're going for a molecular bond here. And if you do this right, you will never have to do it again. Okay. And we're going to join it. Give it a little spin. And that right there, by the time it's dry, will be an actual molecular bond and not just glued together. Because many times have I seen a fitting come apart, and I can still see these numbers right here on the inside of the fitting where they should have been rubbed off. So take this sheen off and do what I just did, and you should never have to do that again. Thank you.